Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to Bake Cook Travel. Today I'll be showing you how to make an incredible tomato soup. It's so simple to make that anyone can do it. And all you need is a few key ingredients. And don't worry, I will show you everything. So let's cook! For this recipe, I will be making a big batch to also store some for later. But if you want to make a smaller batch, just make half of this recipe. I will be using 2 kilos of Romano tomatoes, cut into halves. Romano tomatoes are great for tomato soup, they have an amazing zesty flavor. Place them over a tray with parchment paper, skin side up. Place them into a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit and roast them until they get some nice char marks on top. Finally, slice 4 shallots. Five smashed garlic cloves. I like to use this garlic smasher, but you can also do it with your knife. Into a medium pot, heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. When the butter is melted, add the shallots and cook them down until translucent. Then add the garlic. Cook everything for about 1 minute, and then add the roasted tomatoes. Cook them until you can start to smell it, and then add 1.5 liters of chicken stock. Add 10 grams of sage and stir. And add 5 grams of thyme. Bring your pan to a boil and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Now it's time for you to drop a like if you're enjoying this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here for more amazing delicious recipes. After cooking, make sure to take the herbs out. Blend the liquid using a blender or a hand blender. Finish by seasoning to your taste with salt and pepper. Here it's really up to your taste to add more salt and black pepper. And then add 3/4 cup of heavy cream. You can strain it if you want. I like it more hearty. Every good soup needs a nice slice of bread. I like to toast a nice piece of sourdough bread with some butter and cheese. On a medium non-stick pan over a medium to high heat, place the bread butter sides down and slice the cheese on top. When the cheese starts to melt, flip it over and toast it until nice and brown. And that's it. I like to serve this soup with some fresh basil leaves on top, a little extra cream, and of course, the bread. The soup is very light, fresh, and cozy. I love tomato soup because it can be eaten for any season, and you really don't have to be a pro to make it delicious. So everybody, I hope you liked this video. I'll be honest with you, this is my favorite soup, and I hope you love it as much as I do. If you like tomato, if you like soup, so this is the best combination for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On Bake Cook Travel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.